What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Baby Shack and I am here to help you become profitable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I caught this beautiful trade. So we've already made 114 tonight. It is Wednesday. Technically it is now Thursday, and soon we have news. Well, today on Thursday we'll have news, but right now it is the Asian session on Thursday. So this is the trade that I'm in on my Express account, and I'm gonna kind of break it down for you guys as to why I took it. So coming to the 1 hour time frame, you can see right here we have this gap in the market. Right here we have a gap in the market that the market wants to fill. So I'm going to label that as our gap. And then we also have all of this liquidity that was swept previously to the left right here. And then we had a huge push to the upside, followed by a ton of imbalance that was left behind in the market. So if you look to the left, you can see imbalance was left right here. This is imbalanced price action. That's what it stands for, IPA, imbalanced price action. We also have this inducement as well as even more liquidity sitting right here. So we came down, swept this candle, and then we also swept right here. And you can see we're continuing to the upside right now. We can go up pretty far in this scenario. I think we can go all the way up to here before we actually have a rejection, but I'm projecting us to go around right here. So you can see we have the first imbalance on the 1 hour time frame that's left is right here, and then on the 30-minute there is this imbalance that was already filled in, and then this imbalance right here. So if we go back to this chart, you can see that we did have a 1 hour break of structure to the downside right here. Label this as a 1 hour break of structure. And then we also, like I said, swept liquidity right here. And if we go to silver, you can also see that we created a SMT on silver and gold. So after sweeping this low, you can see right here we have a low and a lower low. And then on silver, actually right here is showing the same thing, low, lower, low. It didn't show that on here though, so that's interesting. I gotta trail this a little bit more. Let's go to 120. It should pump, honestly. After this, we may get a little bit of rejection inside of here though, but we should be pumping at this point. Let's go to 135. Let me pull up silver. So right now you should be able to see there's a SMT right here. We have a low and a lower low, and then on silver we have a low and a higher low. So there's a SMT with silver and gold right here. Boom, SMT. Now we also, I believe, created an internal SMT, but I don't know if we held that. So let me go back. 189, 190. Wow. I just want to thank God, to be honest, just for the knowledge he's given me to be able to trade this well. You can also see on the 1 hour time frame we had a tight consolidation inside of here. Let's go to the 30-minute. And this is really what gave me the best part about this setup. Is something I just was teaching to someone earlier today. We have a tight consolidation inside of this area, and then we end up sweeping after causing that higher time frame SMT. after sweeping here, after sweeping here as well, and just so many confluences for us to head higher. So with all of that, we ended up sweeping inside of here once again, holding this SMT low, and yeah, that gave me the confidence to take this trade. I actually took it on this first candle right here, and then I think I took one more contract right here. And now we're just seeing how far we can essentially ride this trade to the upside. I know we're most likely going to get some type of rejections inside of here. I'm thinking, do we get out and then get back in is the real question. Let's see what we should do. Okay, we have a small, this is a level I expect us to take. This is also liquidity inside of here. You can see it. We have accumulation, manipulation, and then an expansion to the downside. So we may reject out of here, but we should continue up pretty nicely. And I almost took this on another account as well, but I just decided we're not going to be greedy. We're just gonna take it on one account. And luckily I took it on the account that I can get a payout on. So we're eligible for a payout now, and we have been for a little while. I'm just trying to build a decent size account before I take a payout. But that pretty much explains everything for the most part. I took it on the practice account as well, just so you guys could kind of see the reasoning as to why and the actual trade happening in that moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Peace.